Defense Research and Development Canada is working with partners to develop a prototype freeze-dried plasma kit that could improve treatment in the field for bleeding. Plasma is a component of blood that makes up more than half of blood volume and contains important clotting proteins that help stop bleeding. A recent test shows the rehydrated plasma keeps its clotting ability to help stop bleeding. Researchers are developing a prototype freeze-dried plasma kit that fits in tactical vests for Canadian Armed Forces members. The kit has 1 unit of freeze-dried plasma and 250 milliliters of sterile water, each in a plastic bag, which is important for portability in combat settings. The 2 bags can be attached and mixed on-site, and the rehydrated plasma can be administered through an intravenous line to stabilize a trauma patient until they can get to an operating table.